In this video, I'm going to show you how to change video speed in Adobe Express. Now, first, of course, you want to upload your video and open it up here in Adobe Express. And then you want to go and click on it. And you can also open to edit the timeline down here at the bottom. And to actually change the video speed, it's super simple. You want to click on this edit button with your video selected up top. And then you want to go to over here below volume where you can find speed. So you can go and change it. By default, it's going to be 100. If you want to make it slower, of course, you want to go towards the left, so we can make it like 50%, 25% of the speed. And as you can see down here at the bottom, it's going to basically make your video longer. Or you could go and, of course, quicken up, so it's going to be quicker. And just like this, you can make it 150 or 200 as well, okay? And it's going to be a shorter video. And if you then play it, as you can see, it's going to be much shorter, okay? So that's how to do this. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.